In this video, let's talk about how to fix Discord cannot ban users. So if you're facing this issue, this could be happening due to the role hierarchy, or you simply do not have the permission within your roles. So what you need to do is simply head over to the server settings, head over to roles, and make sure that first of all you head over to the reorder option and make sure that you move your role up on the hierarchy, so you'll be able to see a ton of members within this role. If you have a lot of members added in, you simply need to move your role to the upside so that the option would be available within your role. If this is not the case for you, secondly, what you'll also need to do is that verify the mobile ban permissions. Ensure that your role has the power to ban users. So you simply need to head over to your own rules and make sure that the role that you currently have has the option of banning people or banning members. Now, if this is not the case for you, and if you're not facing this issue of the members roles, then what you can do is try to just clear out the app cache of Discord. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here tap on clear cache. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the Discord from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.